Oh, this is not on repeat, by the way. This is this is me forgetting, heroes, that it is day 17 of 100 days of Dad Magic. So for today's Dad Magic offering, we're going to do a trick with a rubber band. I was also going to add in a rubber band pun, but I thought that might be a bit of a stretch. Oh, bit of a stretch. All right, so back to the trick. So first things first, you're going to introduce a mug to your children. Mug, this is children. Children, this is mug. I'm on fire today. All right, okay, seriously, the trick, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to show the kids the mug, you're going to get them to hold the bottom and the top just like this, and get them to hold it up like that. It's going to be a target, okay? So whilst they're holding the mug, you're going to introduce another rubber band and just stretch it between your fingers, and you're going to take aim for the mug, okay? And step back. Make sure that they're stood off to the side, obviously, and you go 3, 2, 1. And in your most slow motion, dramatic way, I suppose, you get them to lift their hand off the mug, look down, and lo and behold, inside the mug now, there is the rubber band. So if you want to learn the secrets of that elastic trick, then here it is right now. Now this one's actually a really cool trick to do because it's super magical, but it's got like that element of suspense and danger to it. And I swear, you don't need to be like David Blaine or like Dynamo to perform this. Like any regular Joe could perform this trick. All you need is some sort of opaque cup and not one rubber band. You actually need a few, okay? Now, they don't have to be coloured rubber bands like that. That's just what I had lying around. But you do need to have a few of the same colour, okay? Because this works on a principle of camouflage, okay? Because if I have these around my wrist and I do this, you don't notice it when it pings back to the wrist, okay? Because that's where it goes. It goes back to the wrist. But how does it get in the cup, I hear you ask? Well, that's actually really simple as well. All you're going to do is you're just going to ball up a duplicate rubber band and you're just going to hide it behind your fingers and pinch it inside the mug, okay? So from this angle, you can't see anything and it looks super fair, when really you are hiding the rubber band with your fingers. So it's already in the cup. So you show the cup like this, okay? You can do this, whatever you want, but this emphasizes that it's empty without going, hey kids, there's nothing in the cup. Because if you say to your kids, hey kids, look, there's nothing in the cup, then they are actually going to think, oh, maybe there is something in the cup. So don't do that. Just go ahead. Can I get you just to hold on to the mug like this, put your hand like this, and then as you let go, the rubber band drops in the cup, and then you show them that you want them to put their hand like this. Now, there are 2 reasons for getting them to hold it up high. You want them to hold it up like this, because number 1 reason is that you're going to be pretending to shoot a rubber band towards them. So the idea is that they're holding the target so that they can stay away, okay? So they're not going to want to be close to it anyway, okay? So this is like safety first. And the number 2 reason is so that they don't just look inside the cup, because they would have to bring their hand down and have a look like that. That gives you ample time to go, wait, whoa. Cool. Okay, something drastically bad nearly happened there, okay? Whatever you want to say to them, but it prevents them from looking in the cup before you want them to. So once your children are holding the cup like this, you can then explain to them that it's going to be a target. Whilst there is a bit of focus, you're going to pull one of the rubber bands, stretch it out. If you go around your wrist a couple of times, you can go around and then catch it between your fingers, and you're just going to hold it like this, okay? So it looks like that. Now, all you're going to do is aim it towards the mug, okay? like this, and you're just going to let that rubber band ping off your thumb and let go here, and it will shoot back to the wrist, okay? But don't do it like that. I mean, obviously what you want to do is do it a bit more like that, okay? In that split second, it vanishes. You can go, woo, did I get it? Did I? Woo. And then you can instruct your children to lower down the mug, have a look inside, and of course, now inside the mug, there is the rubber band. So that has been day 17 of 100 days of Dad Magic. And as always, if you would consider following the channel and subscribing, sharing with all the people that you know, post it to your page, do whatever you like, any little helps, because I am on a journey to help inspire parents around the world to bring a bit of magic into their kids' lives. And remember, when you can, be more than just a hero.